pumpkin season. Let's see how we can squash your hunger early in the day with my special pumpkin waffles. Usually I tell you something about the dish before I try it. I can't wait. It smells so good. These are incredible. They're light, fluffy. They've got the whipped cream, the chopped pecans, a little maple syrup, but just the waffle itself with the pumpkin and the spices. It's the perfect way to say, welcome pumpkin season. Enjoy. I have work to do here. Yum. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.